Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. So first chapter I am doing, that is set language. So in that first one exercise I have completed, second exercise also almost done, two more sums are there, I will complete it today. Okay. So ninth sum is find the number of subsets and the number of proper subsets of the following set. So before going into this, I will tell you how to find the number of proper subsets. Okay, if you take a set with elements 1 and 2. Okay, how many subsets are there for these two elements in the set? To calculate this we are having a formula, that is anything power n. That is 2 power n. So that 2 power n, 2 is the base, that is standard. N is the number of elements of the particular set. If you are having 4 elements, you have to write it as 2 power 4. If you are having 5 elements, you have to write it as 2 power 5. If you write like that, you can calculate the number of subsets for that particular set. Okay. So here I am having only 2 elements. So I will substitute, instead of n, I will substitute 2. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So there will be 4 subsets for the given elements with 2 elements, for the given set with 2 elements. So what are all the subsets we will get for this? 1, 2, 1, 2 and null set. These are all the subsets we will get for this. Okay, so this is for calculating number of subsets. Okay, now if you want to calculate number of proper subsets, that only we are asked to find. Number of proper subsets. If you want to find that, the formula for that is 2 power n minus 1. This is the formula to calculate number of proper subsets. What do you mean by proper subsets? The proper subset means there should be, if you are taking 1 and 2 as the element, we will say that that is also a subset for that. That we won't be considering for that proper set. Okay, it should not be equal. The set and the subset should not be equal. So, here it is 2 power n. So, here for this subset, we will take it as 2 power 2 minus 1. So, that is 2 power 2 is 4, 4 minus 1. So, you will get 3 elements for the given set. That is, if you have 2 elements, the number of proper set is 2 power 2, that is, number of, not proper sets, number of subsets. If you have 2 elements, number of subsets for the 2 elements in a set is 2 power n, that is 2 power 2, that is equal to 4. So, you will get 4 subsets for that. If you are asked to find number of proper subset, means the formula for that is 2 power n minus 1. That means 2 power 2 minus 1, that is equal to 4 minus 1. You will get 3 proper set for that. So what are all the elements what are all the proper subsets you will get? 1 is a proper subset, 2 is a proper subset and null set is a proper subset. So you won't be getting this 1, 2. It should not be equal. The set and the subset should not be equal for a proper subset. So you will get only 3 elements for that. So with the help of these formulas, we will be doing sums now. So one is 2 power n, the other one is 2 power n minus 1. This is the thing we are going to apply in this given 2 questions. Okay, so here W is equal to red, blue, green. So how many elements are there in this set? 3 elements are there in this set, that is n of W. N of W means what? Number of elements in the set W is equal to 3. We have 3 elements for this. Okay, find the number of subsets and the number of proper subsets. So, number of subset, how will you find? So, number of subset for this given set will be n of P of W. This P of W is the subset. N of P of W is equal to 2 power n, that is equal to 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. So we will have 8 subsets for the given set with 3 elements. This is number of subsets for the given set with 3 elements. Okay, now we have to find number of proper subset. So what is the formula? 2 power n minus 1. So that is number of, this one is number of subsets. So for finding number of subsets, you will write like this. Then number of proper subsets. So number of proper subsets is n of p of w, n of p of w minus 1. So what is n of p of w? That is 8. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 elements. So one is number of subset is 8. Number of proper subset is 7. Okay. So the same way the next sum also has to be done. So that we will do. So this one is, the next sum is x is equal to x squared such that here elements are given. 3 elements already it is given. Here some description it is given. You are asked to find the number of elements. Then we will find the answer for the given question. So here x squared such that x is equal to. So what are all the elements in x? X is equal to x squared. So it will be in the form of x squared such that x belongs to n. So all the x terms are natural numbers here. So such that x squared less than or equal to 100. So it should be natural number. It should be x squared, that is less than or equal to 100. All the square numbers you have to write. So first one is 1, 4 square numbers. So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared 25, 6 squared 36, 7 squared 49, 7 sevens are 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81, 10 squared is 100. So these are all the elements of the set. So number of elements in the set x is what? N of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 elements in that set. Okay, so now we will find the number of subsets for this set. So number of subsets is n of p of number of n of p of x is equal to 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 you have to multiply. That is 2 is 10 times 5. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 4s are 32. So 32 into 32. 32 into 32 you have to multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 1024. 1024. So how many elements you have in this set? 1024. So this is number of subsets. Then number of proper subset is, two power n minus 1. That is 2 power 10 minus 1. So 1024 minus 1, that is equal to 1023. So this is number of proper subsets and this one is number of subsets. Okay. Now we will continue the next sum. If n of a is equal to 4, find n of p of a. If n of a is equal to 4, find n of p of a. The same sum only. If n of p of a is 256, find n of a. These are the questions given. You are asked to find n of p of a. That is n of p of a. You are asked to find that. So for finding that, we will take, so the first sum is n of a is equal to 4. Similar to the previous sum only, there number of elements in the set is given. You will be counting the number of elements. Then you will find the number of proper sets. Okay, number of elements in that set you will find. So here n of A is given already. So n of P of A, number of subsets. N of P of A, what is the general formula? It is 2 power n. So here n value is given as 4. So this is 2 power 4. So if it is 2 power 4, if you expand it, 2 into 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Okay, so that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, here 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 16 is the answer. So n of P of A value is 16 here. Then next one is second sum. Second sum, if n of A is 0, that is, it is a null set. No elements are there in that. So if n of A is equal to 0, what will be n of P of A? The formula for n of P of A is equal to 2 power n. That is, to find the number of subsets, formula is 2 power n. So here number of element is 0. So 2 power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So n of P of A, for this n of A is 0 is 1. Then third sum is n of P of A, n of P of A is equal to 256. So here this is not given in to the base n. Number it is not given. So this has to be converted to some base with 2. Base, not some base, it has to be converted to a base 2. Then only we can find the number for that. Okay, so how will you find factors for this? You will use prime factorization method. We will use number 2 alone. So 2 is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Then with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then 2, 3, 2. Then again 2, 16. Then again 2, 8 times. Then again 2, 4 times. Then 2 power 2. So this 256, how can you write this 256 with the base 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can write this. You can write this with the base 2 as 2 power 8. What is n of P of A? That is 2 power n. So 2 power n is equal to 2 power 8. So we got this 258 with the base 2 as 2 power 8. So now since the base are equal, we can equate the powers. So what will be the thing if you equate it? If you equate it, you will get the power as, that is n is equal to 8 we will get. So here n of A is, here n of A, that is number of elements in the set, in that set with the number 256 is 8. That is, you have, if you have 256 subset, what will be the number of subset? What will be the number of subsets? The number of subset is 256. Okay, for that what will be the number of elements in the set? So the number of elements in that set is 8. Then only if you find the power of that, it is 2 power 8 if you find, you will get 256 subsets for that. You will have 256 elements for that. So you will have 256 elements for this. So n of A is equal to 8. So if you have 8 elements, the total number of subset is 256. So this one is vice versa we are taking. Okay, so we have found n of A as 8. Okay, so with this I am completing today's exercise, that is exercise 1.2 I am completing. In the next class I will be doing the next exercise. Okay, if you have any doubts, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.